So overall, we've had this Breville water kettle, electric water kettle for a number of years, and it's been fantastic. We love it. But recently, something happened where if you try to open the top, the spring or something that used to help pop it open no longer works. So over time, the parts definitely deteriorate. So you can see it's loose now, which never used to be like that before. So if you push it, it used to just pop open like that. But now you have to sort of push it and then manually open it, which is kind of annoying if you're holding in one hand.
他今天有没有